Okay, operative fact doctrine. So, ito yung nagre-recognize nung effect nung law after a law is declared unconstitutional. So, ibig sabihin, pag yung isang batas unconstitutional o hindi sumusunod sa saligang batas, yung effects nun is still valid para maiwasan yung chaos, injustice, and hindi pagkapantay-pantay. No? So, nire-recognize pa rin yung mga nagawa ng yung effect ng batas na yon after it was declared unconstitutional. Or kapag hindi na existing yung batas, pero yung effects nun are still recognized. So, yun yung operative fact. Kasi may maganda namang nagagawa yung isang batas siguro, pero declared na unconstitutional, so, yung effects nun yung nire-recognize kahit na nawala na yung batas o hindi na in effect yung batas. So, yun pala yung mga doctrine sa batas na kailangan nating malaman na pag na-declare siyang unconstitutional, yung effects niya is still valid. Effects lang. So, yun lang po.